Welcome to my website. This is my homepage and I wanted it to be very simple and clean and cut. So I have a big image here, one that I've taken myself that I thought looked nice and also gave insight to my creative properties or my creativity. Up on the left hand corner you will see my logo that I have designed. It's kind of hard to see as it is small. I intend to make it larger and a bit more visible, but basically the logo is an H and an A right next to each other, or the A is within the H. So that way if you flip it upside down, you still get an H and an A no matter which way you flip it, which would stand for Henry Aaron, which is the name of my website, Henry Aaron Enterprise, the name of my business. Up top, you will find my tabs. I also wanted to keep it simple with not too many tabs. Here's my blog. We'll go to that. This is one of the blog posts I've made, and I do reviews about Rexburg. So here you'll never guess the top 3 places to get hot chocolate in Rexburg, Idaho. So that is a blog post, and on this blog post is also a link to my other blog post since I already had set up a blog with another WordPress website. Next will be my contact page, just simple, clean and cut, picture myself in the way they can contact me. My real name is Henry, like most of you probably already know, but a lot of people call me Hank, and so that is the way I'm contacted mostly, is through Hank. Now this last tab is the tab that I will be focusing most of my time on, and what I will be turning this website into in the future is it will be mostly about these training videos, because I want to turn this website, since I already have other websites for blogs and whatnot, into training for what I work. And I am a manager for a sales team that goes out to Boston, Massachusetts every year and to sell pest control. So this part of my website will be the videos that I have been making on how to sell pest control to train my team and to others that are looking for some training. I hopefully intend to turn this channel to make it all about the training and all about managing pest control and even recruiting, so I can use social media to bring people to this website so people could sign up for themselves and get in contact with me in order for me to recruit them and add them to my team. And that is my page. Thank you for watching.